Facebook Reels suddenly start playing loud audio when you're scrolling, even when you weren't expecting it. Luckily, Facebook now has a setting that lets you stop Reels from automatically starting with sound. I'll show you exactly how to turn it off. First, open the Facebook app. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner of the screen to open the main menu. Now, tap on the Settings gear icon near the search button. This will open your Facebook settings page with different account and app preferences. Scroll down until you find the Preferences section, then tap on Media. Inside the Media settings, look for the section related to video playback and sound settings. Here you should see the option called Reels start with sound on. If the option is enabled, Facebook Reels will automatically play audio as soon as a reel opens. Simply tap the toggle or uncheck the box next to it to disable the feature. And that's it. From now on, Reels will open silently by default, so you won't get surprised by sudden loud audio while scrolling through videos in public places at night or during work or school. You can still turn the sound back on anytime by tapping the volume icon while watching a reel, or by enabling the setting again later.